Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad problem. So here we have, this is a nice right triangle in which the length of its sides are A, B and C respectively, and in which we have the length of B is equals to 89. So here our target is to find the value of the parameter of this triangle. So here you know about that the one length of this triangle is given and all the other sides are unknown. So first we need to find the length of other sides of this right triangle, and then we move towards to find the parameter of this triangle. Further, you see here, this is a right triangle and we know about that the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, and we denote it by H or C, and the side which is joined both of these two angles is called the base. So we decide this is our base, and the side opposite to this angle is called the perpendicular side. So this is our perpendicular side of this triangle. And now here further, we find the length of other sides with the help of Pythagoras theorem, and you know about that the Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So this is the our Pythagoras theorem, and here we need to substitute all the values of A, B and C. So here our hypotenuse is denoted by C, it will become C square. Our base is denoted by A, it will becomes A square, and perpendicular is denoted by B. The value of our B is 89 square. So further in the next step, because here our target is to find the value of A and C, for this we move this A to the left hand side and it will becomes C square minus A square equals to 89 square. And now here further in the next step we need to use the nice algebraic formula, and we write C square minus A square as C minus A times of C plus A is equals to, this is 89 square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and here you see that if here we have when we can expand the square of 89, so it is equals to 7921, and in the left hand side we have C minus A multiplied by C plus A. So here you see that in the left hand side we have, these are the two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So here first we need to find the possibility in which the product of two numbers becomes here 729. So we have the possibilities are we have 729 is multiplied by, or 1 is multiplied by 729 is equals to 7200 and 7921. Sorry for this mistake. Okay. And now here the other possibility are we have 89 is multiplied by 89 is also equals to 7921. Okay, so we have, these are the two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers is this value. Okay, so we divide this equation into these two cases, and here our first case is, we can write the first case here. So in first case we compare both of these two values on these two numbers, and it will be written as C minus A is equals to 1 and C plus A is equals to 7921. This is our first case, and here in the parallel we write here the second case. So in second case we compare both of these two factors with these two values, and it will be written as C minus A equals to 89 and C plus A is equals to also 89. Now here first we need to solve our second case and then we move towards our first case. So in the second case you see here, if we add or if we subtract both of these two values, then you see here after subtraction of these values we change the sign, and you see here this is the positive and negative are gone, and minus A and minus A becomes minus 2A equals to, this is positive 89 negative 89 are gone, and we get here 0. So this implies that here we easily get the value of A is equals to 0. So if A equals to 0, this means that the base of this right triangle is 0, but here the sides are non-zero. the sides of the right triangle are non-zero, so that this is not possible case. So we rejected this case because a be the base and base cannot be zero. Okay, so that we rejected this case, and now we move towards our second case. And in second case we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. And now we move toward to solve the first case. Okay, so here we need to sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2. And you see here, when we add these two equations, then this is the negative a and positive a are gone, and we get here c plus c becomes 2 times c is equals to, this is 1 plus 7,921 becomes 7,922. So here for the values of c, we divide both of the sides by 2. So this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here our c is equals to, this is 2 times 3 becomes 6, and 2 6 are 18, and carry 1, 2 6 are 12, and 2 1s are 2. So here we just obtain, so this is 2 9s are 18. Okay, so we get here this is 3,961. This is the value of c which we get here. And now we need to find the value of a, and for this we use this value in equation number 1. So when we put this value of c in equation number 1, so it will be written as c minus a is equals to 1. So when you put this value here, it will becomes 3,961 minus a is equals to 1. So here we easily get the value of a. We move this minus a to the right hand side, and it will becomes 3,961 minus 1 is equals to a. And further in the next step here, we need more simplifications, and it will be written as so further we have, so here we get the value of a is equals to 3,960. So this is the value of a. And now finally we move towards the parameter of the given triangle, and you know about the formula of the parameter is that so our parameter is equals to the sum of the length of all the sides of right triangle. So we have, these are the three sides, so these sums are a plus b plus c, and here we have the value of a is equals to 3,960, and the value of b is given into the question, this is 89, and the value of c is equals to 3,961. So here when we sum up all of these values, it will be written as 8,010 units. Okay, so this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.